Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's 4:40, June 14th, and I'm on my way to the airport to leave to Grenada. I'm excited. I'm about to meet up with Winter. This is my 27th birthday trip. Lit. We have like some things planned down in Grenada, so stay tuned, y'all. I'll see y'all at JFK. Right now, I'm going to gates, well, the security line, TSA, whatever. Be packed in here. Like, I wouldn't expect it to be packed on a Wednesday. I want to see who's going to Grenada. I'm waiting for Winter. She should be here soon. I thought it changed to gate 29. Because gate 26 is Aruba. Girl just landed. Where we going? We going to get something to eat.
Yeah, child.
Winter, how you feeling?
Girls, okay, girls.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. All this ruckus.
You good, you good.
Oh my god. Now we finally here. Oh my god.
Breakfast on the balcony. You just fill out the breakfast order form and the beach staff will come and sit up on the balcony here.
Okay, perfect.
Right? So you have your espresso machine. You have complimentary rum punch with cookies.
Ooh.
The wine is a part of the mini bar. Mini bar is in here. Right. Milk is complimentary. Anything else will be charged for.
Okay.
Right. You have ice in here. Water is complimentary as well.
Okay.
Right.
Ooh. This is gorgeous.
So you have your closet space.
Oh, okay, walk-in closet. Okay, no, this is really nice.
So you have your laundry bags safe. You have your towels for the pool.
Okay. Just took a shower. I'm not sure what we're doing tonight. I think we might catch dinner at the hotel and that's it. Like, it's a super chill day. We just got here. And then after we have dinner planned. And then our driver, he told us about like this like party that they have at the bowling alley and they have hookah. So we're gonna go there. And then there's Friday night plans as well. Friday we're going to another hotel, so you guys will see that. So yeah. All right, we are ready for our first night out. We're gonna go like to a Mediterranean spot, and they have hookah. I'll put I always put everything down below. Winter, look at my sisters. Right? No, we outside for real. We outside, but. We out. We're about to be out. We're about to take some pictures. I'll put all the links as usual in the bio. These earrings, you know, they're fire. But all right, y'all. We just took some pictures. I'm like having like technical difficulties with this camera, but we gonna come through with the content. Will we?
Yeah.
We will. Like, it's just a difficulty. Like, I'm coming out like white as hell, and the Lord knows I'm dark skinned. So like, we trying to fix the problem with the camera. But that's gonna happen soon. Alright, y'all, so it's the following day. We're about to get ready for excursion. Last night, like, it was just a lot. I need to continue. I need to get ready. I'm not completely dressed yet. So I'm about to eat breakfast on our balcony porch situation. Let me show you guys. Hey, y'all. So this is our breakfast. We have all the works here. Here we have plantain, sausage, grilled tomato, bake, and ackee and saltfish with a salad, fruit salad, yummy. And we got some home fries, or
Yes, like
home fries right here. Calabash has all the works. We have some coffee. Yesterday was really crazy, very intense. But we thank God for recovery. Amen.
here.
Yes.
No milk in the chocolate. No milk chocolate at all. Dark chocolate. And there are various percentages. So you guys are going to do a tour there and then do the sampling. After which you're going to get to the very top of the island and we're going to do lunch. Buffet.
Buffet.
Buffet. I hear buffet. I hear buffet.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, just on conduct, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be
Guys, so it's our third day, Wednesday, third day in Grenada. We are going to switch hotels. We're going to the SILVERSANDS, and that's one of, like, basically the most famous hotels, I would say, in Grenada, the most expensive. So I'm blessed that I get to go there. We're just packing our stuff right now. This hotel definitely was, we decided like 8.5 out of 10. Like, it's definitely quality. Like, the staff was amazing. They were so nice. And I even got, so I don't know if you noticed, but I have a like allergic reaction because I use like a bar of soap to clean my face. I did not bring my cleanser that I use in New York. So I got an allergic reaction. It was really, really bad. If I have a video on my phone, so I'm gonna put it here. So that was horrible, but they got me some medicine, which I was super thankful for. Winter, how you feeling?
I'm okay.
We're leaving.
I know. I really liked it here.
Listen,
This was a
I'm coming back to Grenada, y'all. I don't know when, August. But I don't know when, but there's something about Grenada that's very special. Like, I don't know what, it's just the spirit. And we learned a lot about Grenada on our tour yesterday, but I just feel like there's so much resilience, and the people are so strong and still like so hospitable. Like,
lovely.
it's great. Okay, Winter. So nice. This is the entry here. We have the Ocean King view. Yeah. This is the bathroom. They have a little tub right here. This is the mirror. You have a gorgeous rainfall bathroom, bro. I didn't even peep that. Yeah. And then we have the bathroom here. Let's go into kind of, this is giving the living room area. Hi, Rosa. Hi. And this is the bed, TV, and then we have our own little terrace area, which I'm definitely gonna be taking pictures over here. Gorgeous, gorgeous coffee table. And this is my view. Oof. They also held me down. They gave me like a happy birthday little cake and a bottle of Pinot Noir with some chocolate mousse. I believe that's chocolate mousse, right? It has to be. So, I'm about to go to La Luna. We're about to go get dinner. Hold on, we gotta go. We gotta go.
We going.
Nah. Your cab's here. I'm like this. Like, trying to get shit together. We're at a restaurant right now. Y'all see love. We got some seafood pasta. Very, very good. Let me show you Winter's plate. Hold on. What we got, Winter?
The special.
Special. What's the special? Shrimp and cream sauce.
Shrimp, cream sauce, spinach.
It's good. Alright, y'all. So it's day 3 or day 4? Day 4 of Grenada. I'm at SILVERSANDS. I feel like I need to show you more because it's huge. I'm going to show the other side of my view. But this hotel is so aesthetically pleasing. Every resort on the island, but everybody blows about SILVERSANDS. So it's very, very beautiful. And Grenada, I'm coming again. I can't make it for this carnival, but I want to make it for the next carnival. Did ask them to take a tour of the penthouses. I think this is one of the penthouses or the villas, but I do want to do a tour because I'm just curious how it looks. I'm staying the Ocean King, but next time I want to stay in something more elevated. Like, I'm just feeling like the birthday has definitely showed me, like, you know, like there's so much more you can see. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so much more you can see in life. And I just want to travel. Like, I just want to travel, especially in the Caribbean, and become like an expert in that. So, and get paid for it. So that's one of my goals. So we're putting that in the air. Lord hears me, and I'm gonna make it happen.
It tastes fresh.
Well, we're getting ready to go to the spa. I got this from Target. I'll bring this, like, literally this skirt is gonna go down in history. So skirt H&M, Amazon, Shein. And then this head tie is from a 4-piece that I got from Shein as well. And the earrings I got from like Soho or something like that. So I'm gonna get So I was gonna get a facial, but for facials you can't go in like the steam room and stuff like that. So I was just like, listen, we're gonna hold that down, and I'm just gonna get a signature massage, which is like sort of between a Swedish and deep tissue. So I'm excited about that. Me and Winter are getting ready, and then we're gonna go to a local spot to eat some food.
We're leaving.
It's the final day in Grenada. Guys, I had a wonderful time. I regret I'm leaving. Like, I felt like we should have stayed one day or went to Barbados, but we moved. Next time I know that there's a direct flight, and we would have went to Barbados. Like, it would have been a Barbados Grenada vlog, but that's all good. Grenada was definitely a 10 out of 10. The people, the vibes, the energy. The last 2 nights, me and Winter, like, we just kind of stayed in, got drinks at the bar. Hotel manager's really cool. Shout out to Shannon. He was super dope, and I will be coming back. I'm just waiting for Winter right now so we can get some breakfast before we leave. Well, our flight leaves at 4. We're doing late checkout, so we're gonna go get breakfast, and then we're gonna pack. I told you I wanted to get on these. And look, it's happening. Alright, y'all. So our flight got delayed. Are we like truly upset? No. But it's like, yo, it was crazy. Like, we got there, it was late in the morning by like 20 minutes. We were like, all right, cool. 20 turns to an hour, turns into 2 hours, turns to 3 hours. And then they were like there was something wrong with the engine. So we were just like, nah, like, we're about to change, like, let's just change our flights. So we fighting for the last seat, child. And we basically got the last 2 seats. So everybody else was lollygagging, and I'm just like, bro, like, don't you want to go home, like, in a safe plane? Because I'm not trying to get on no random plane. So right now we're going back to Calabash, our first hotel, and they offered us, you know, like a night stay at a special rate because that hotel is like expensive, but they took some dollars off. So that's where we're headed to right now, and it's Father's Day. We could have been partying, but it is what it is. We're gonna take a shower and reconvene. Alright, y'all, I think this is our official last day. Who knows? But we're about to get luggage pickup. Hopefully head to KFC or get Brock's. It's this local guy. He cooks really good food. And then head to the airport. I believe there's some people on standby for our flight, so I'm hoping, like, we're just trying to get there. Like, we're confirmed, but we're just trying to get there before it gets a little bit crazy. I think Grenada wants us to stay. I think that they don't want us to leave. That's why we got delayed one more day. But overall, a little chaotic, beautiful experience. All right, y'all. After 3 delays and a cancellation, we're leaving.
Going home.
Oh my God, we're just waiting for boarding. Hold on.